Hi, welcome to AGX Graphics. Begin your calm, creative, and inspiring journey with us. Today, I'm going to tell you how to easily create an AI-generated design using Canva AI. Great! Let's get started. Open Google, Bing, or any search engine. Then type Canva in the search bar. Click on the first result to visit Canva's official website. Then click on Create a Design. Next, select Whiteboard to start with a blank canvas. Click on the Apps option in the left-hand toolbar. Scroll down or search for Canva AI Tools. Select the AI tool called Magic Media. Type the description of the image you want to create in the provided text box. Then AI can create a very simple and precise design for you. Once everything is ready, click Generate and get the image you want with Canva AI. Now you can download your creation just like downloading a regular photo from Canva.